has turned on the seatbelt light. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelts. Thank you.
Hi there. Here's what's new in Doc2Help 5. You can now use all of the Doc2Help features directly within Microsoft Word. By clicking File, Doc2Help, you can create or manage your Doc2Help project from this menu. The Getting Started submenu allows you to open or create a new Doc2Help project. You can also open a sample Doc2Help project from this section. When you click the New Project button, the New Project wizard will launch to walk you through creating your new Doc2Help project within Word. The Help submenu provides several options to assist you in using Doc2Help. From here, you can open the embedded help system, visit Doc2Help's website, the Madcap Software online forum, or view any of the Doc2Help PDF guides. You can also view video tutorials like this one to assist in using Doc2Help. This section will allow you to report a bug, check for any updates to Doc2Help, or even deactivate Doc2Help on your workstation. Once you've opened your Doc2Help project, you can access the Common Tasks and Reports section of the project submenu. The Common Tasks provides you the ability to configure your Doc2Help options within Word. The Options button lets you configure what prompts and build progress indicators will display, specify file locations for your project, and modify SharePoint options within this dialog. You can also schedule builds for your Doc2Help project within Common Tasks, save your project under a specific name, compact the size of your project, import or export your project settings, and convert older versions of Word documents to the current format. Reports become available when your Doc2Help project is opened. Examples of these reports include help contents, index, script listings, style definitions, and topic reports. Team authoring allows you to manage your Doc2Help project with other writers when the project is bound to source control. From this Doc2Help submenu in Word, you can connect to or share an existing project. You can manage shared Doc2Help projects from Team Foundation Server, File System Repository, or Web Repository from this area. You can also use this section to share an existing project with other contributors, disconnect a project from being shared, edit existing repository settings, or get the latest version of a project from the repository. The Doc2Help ribbon now provides full feature functionality within Word. This ribbon will display for documents that do not belong to an existing Doc2Help project, along with documents that are part of an existing project. When a document is opened that does not belong to a Doc2Help project, you will still receive some Doc2Help functionality in Word. This includes the ability to add an open Word document to an existing Doc2Help document, along with buttons to apply heading and body text styles, and other tools. For documents that belong to a Doc2Help project, you'll see full functionality on this ribbon. In addition to the heading and body text styles, there are other sections on this ribbon to help you manage your project. These features include the ability to add, rename, or delete topics. There's also a section to manage Doc2Help specific styles. You can use some of the features in this ribbon to link specific words to other topics, create inline text to expand from selected text, or create keywords on related text. The topic properties, conditional text, and variables can all be managed within this ribbon. You can also add image maps and multimedia here. Finally, you can add or edit glossary terms for your project. The Target ribbon is where you now manage the output for your Doc2Help project. You manage the properties, themes, and templates for your targets. The active target can be selected through the drop-down to select the output type you want to use for your project. Your target properties allow you to add or edit the target elements of the project. You now build your targets through this ribbon. When you click the Build or Rebuild button, the Build Progress panel will display at the bottom of Word. You can also schedule a build or rebuild of your targets using the drop-down arrows for each button. When the build is completed, you can view the generated target. You also have options to view the PDF version of your manual target after it's been built and publish a NetHelp target to SharePoint. The themes of the Doc2Help project are also managed through this ribbon. You can select an existing theme for your target or add a new one. The theme wizard will walk you through creating a theme for your NetHelp target step by step. Or you can use the theme designer to create your customized theme or edit an existing one. Your target templates are also managed on the Target ribbon in Word. You can select an existing template for your target, as well as add, edit, or remove a template. The Project ribbon in Word allows you to manage your project. The Project Settings button lets you configure global settings for your Doc2Help project. You can also select a different Doc2Help project using the Select Project button. The Topics panel button allows you to view and manage the various topics of your project. You can add and edit the attributes, window types, and Doc2Help specific styles. The Auto Index button allows you to easily index by topic types and other styles. Documents can be created and added on this ribbon as well. Your source templates are managed on the Project ribbon. You can select an existing template for your Doc2Help project using the Source Template drop-down arrow, and this selection will be applied to any newly created documents. Source templates can be added, edited, or removed on this ribbon. Finally, the Doc2Help project panel in Word now has full functionality in this release. You can add and edit the elements of your project directly in this panel. Related Topics is a new view, which lets you see topics by individual topics, groups, or keywords. There's also an area at the bottom of the Related Topics view where you can see and manage subtopic relations. Each of these views in the Doc2Help project panel now has a filter button that allows you to easily search through the contents. Simply type your search criteria in the space below the filter button to easily search through your documents, contents, index and groups, variables, and related topics. For more details on these changes, as well as examples, see the What's New topic in the online help or the What's New PDF guide. Enjoy the new Doc2Help 5.